Tom Weaver to get us underway here in Townsville. The Oz Wide Bank Meninga Cup decider, and it'll be taken. The Blackhawks are going to have to run from the back fence. A beautiful day here in Townsville as they go through the hands. Jack again. Oh, here we go. He's away. Through the middle is Marshall. Gets the ball away. Lovely to Duffy. And Duffy will score. The home side are in first. Out of nowhere, the Blackhawks cross first 4-0.
Oh my goodness, what a start we have on our hands right now.
Not this time around for the Tweed Seagulls. Mariner out of dummy half, trying to score. Ball down. And Matt Gunnan is going to point the spot. Dean Mariner scores his fourth finals try, the first one today, and the Seagulls hit back. Number of Townsville Blackhawks part of the Kerwin Bears side, and for the Tweed Seagulls, including this man Bryant, who makes a breakaway. The group is there in support, and he scores underneath the post. Tweed bagged their second. As easy as that. Moser now on for the Seagulls. Wilson. Short ball, Priestley works this time. He crosses. Tweed bagged their third.
No point taking the two, straight into a quick tap.
Well, you're 14 points behind. You definitely don't want to take 2 points. Borragella muscles his way over. Listen to the crowd. They needed that on the stroke of half-time. The Blackhawks are back in it. All right, Borragella out of dummy half. Yes, he has. Right on cue. The dummy half has scored under the sticks. Now they go through the hands. Duffy, a short ball. Latu to Dodai. Dodai in open space. Here he goes. Listen to the crowd. Dudley Dodai scores for the Blackhawks.
Referee points to the spot, and they have the lead.
Here's the last. They're a man short, Blackhawks. Moser out of dummy half will score. Moser will score. They get around him. It's 24 all. Kick to come.
Oh my goodness.
Potentially kick to win. Tom Weaver to potentially seal this match for the Tweed Seagulls. Kicks it. It looks good.
And
the flags are raised. Tweed take the lead as the clock stops. They go through their hands. What's going to happen? Weaver puts it on the boot, chases himself. Rovik's there into some open space. Is he? No. Namu, one-on-one steal. Namu picks up and scores.
Oh my goodness.
Well, they're adding the cherries on top. The referees are going to green light this, and that'll be all she wrote. Thank you, linesman. Thank you, ball boys. Caleb Namanu puts the cherries on top.